Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a restore point. First of all, you have to go to the system information. For that, click on this PC. After you go to this PC, right click here, and then you can see this properties option. Click here, and then you will go to the Windows System Settings. In here, you can see this Advanced System Settings option. Click right here. And then you have to go to the System Protection. In here, make sure that the System Protection is on. If it's turned off, click right here. This Configure button, and then make sure this option is turned on. You can turn on it like this, and then press OK. To create a restore point, click right here. And then you have to add the title to the restore point. And then click Create button. Then you will see a message like this. You have to wait a few minutes, and then the restore point will be created. After it's successful, you will see a message like this. And you can close this and press OK. If you appreciate my help, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.